Alright, so we got called out that the sewer wasn't working and found that the breakers had been turned off. Don't know who did it, but when we turned the breakers on, I could smell sewer. It's not on the property that owns the sewer, it's on another property. So the wash here had a lot of rain, came down and broke the pipe.
A lot of wind too.
Yeah, we had high winds, so that might have broke some limbs out of the trees, dropped down into the wash. This is not a regular creek, it's just a wash. It's dry when it's not raining. But it broke the pipes. I'm going to think we probably ought to put something across here that we could tie these pipes to and they won't. Maybe a steel pipe to keep it from doing that. But obviously it catches stuff. So what we're going to do is cut that off, then cut in a piece of pipe here. And then I'm going to put a lock on the breaker, because if somebody knew that this was happening, why didn't they say? And I don't want them turning all of the sewer off if one of the lines are broken. What we're using is an oscillating saw. That tool has been used for all kinds of things. You know what to put two couplings on. Alright, so he's got the glue. Put those couplings on, turn that quarter turn. It's on. Rub the excess off of that pipe. Okay. Got a bunch of plastic hanging off of it. Get it on? Yeah. All right. We'll come back. I got to cut a piece of pipe when he measures it.
Really probably one right off the film.
Both sides, Clay, both sides. All right. No further out. That break the coupling?
Yep.
So we gotta start over. Hold on. You're not gonna make it that way. There you go. I'm gonna let that set for a little bit, and then we'll turn it on, see if it works. So it's on, no leaking, but I'm gonna recommend to the owner that we ought to put something across here to keep, in case something big comes floating down here like that, with debris that we took out, and breaks it again. We did all this in the rain, but we're working. Now I'm gonna put a lock and a place to hide the key so that we keep people from turning the breaker off.